Here's how to remove a game from Samsung Game Launcher without necessarily uninstalling it from the phone in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to clear out unwanted games while keeping them installed on your device. First, open Game Launcher or Gaming Hub on your Samsung phone. This is where your game library is stored. Once you're inside, tap My Games if it's not already open, and you'll see a list of the games currently added to the launcher. Next, find the game you want to remove from the list. Then, press and hold the game's icon until a menu appears on your screen. After that, look for the Remove or Remove from Game Launcher option and tap it. Now, confirm that you want to remove the game. You'll see the selected title disappear from your game launcher library. Be careful not to tap uninstall unless you want to remove the game from your phone completely, because uninstall deletes both the game and its data from the device. Once you've removed the game, check your home screen or app screen if needed. The game should still be installed and available there, since removing it from Game Launcher only clears it from the gaming library. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Game Launcher or Gaming Hub and tap the three-dot menu in the corner. Go to Settings, then find Show Game Apps. Adjust where your games appear, such as in Game Launcher only or on both the home and app screen. Return to your game library and try removing the game again. If the remove option is missing, make sure you're pressing and holding the game inside the My Game section and not from your home screen. Also, if you accidentally uninstall a game, you'll need to download it again because removing and uninstalling are two different actions. Once everything is set, the selected game will no longer appear in Samsung Game Launcher or Gaming Hub while staying installed on your phone unless you chose uninstall. Following these simple steps makes removing games from Samsung Game Launcher quick and easy.